So guys, I am currently in Vienna, 30 degrees. There's an area called Schwedenplatz. It's got like really nice shops and it's considered to be the central Vienna. I'm just gonna take a walk and see what happens. So my mom and I just had this really nice lunch and oh wait, I'm gonna show you this building. It's so pretty. I just love the architecture in Vienna. It's just so stunning. Like, who lives in these buildings? I'm just at the sculptures, like so pretty. Apparently there's a 100-year-old coffee place here. Leopold Hawelka, Josephine Hawelka. What I find really interesting about Vienna is that there's so many tourists, there's so many people, obviously in central Vienna. But the minute you go inside a coffee place or a restaurant, everyone is just like so quiet and keep to themselves. Very different energy from, let's say, London and in Vienna. And I think it's as part of their culture. They keep to themselves. You know, they keep quiet and. Now, this is the impression I'm getting from the Vienna city vibes. Oat milk. Place called Hofburg Palace. You can see there's a crown just at the top. There's a beautiful like a statue behind me. I love these arches. They're so mysterious. Is that? This is supposed to be a city park as well, which looks really nice.